Okay, this is how to use the message connector to follow up with your new friends and friends you haven't talked to for a while. One thing I forgot to mention in the first video is that you can personalize the messages by adding this tag. It's brackets with just first name lowercase. Now you can create these groups just like I did in the first one. I'm creating 3 different messages that are all slightly different. And in this one, I'm going to say thanks for accepting my friend request, and I'm looking forward to seeing your post to my timeline, showing some support, and I'd also like to invite you to my Listinfinity group. It depends on the message. I might just follow up and say, did you get a chance to check out the group? But I'm never pushing an offer. Okay, joining a group is kind of passive, and they can go in there and see all the proof and testimonials, and then they'll hopefully come back to me and ask how to join. Anyway, to set up a campaign, you open the message connector, and what you have here is you can sync your new friends, and you can sync all friends. I use the MBasic scraper, and again, you want to just leave that because it's going to open like 50 windows. And once you get all your friends in, you can select new friends and send your follow-up message, and you can select all friends so you can contact people that you haven't talked with in a while. And when you create a campaign, it's going to send 30 messages every day. That's the max. And it'll just run until it goes through all your friends. So you want to set this up at a time that you're not on your computer because you want to just let it run. So I usually do it in the evening. I set up my campaign in the evening, and then it'll run at the same time every day. So you just add your campaign title, so I can say new friends, and I'm going to do 30 per day, and I'm going to send only if I haven't talked to them in a month, because if you're running this multiple times, especially with new friends, it'll go back and send them the message twice. I'm going to select new friends and then create the campaign.